Hello, I'm Nate. Today I will show you a vending machine with a big touch screen. 55-inch touch screen can allow advertisement, video or picture. It's a perfect solution to promote your brand. Touch to buy. We can still allow advertisement at the top of the buying page. Select the product. And then we need to swipe the credit card. The spiral will rotate. Then we can collect the product from the pickup pot. This will be a great solution to sell and promote your product. If you are interested in this big touchscreen vending machine, please contact us for more information. Thank you for watching.